I stand before you today to honor the 23rd of March, Pakistan Day. Pakistan Day is not only a day of remembrance, but also a day of celebration. We celebrate the independence of our nation, the sacrifices of our forefathers, and the determination of our people to achieve their dreams. Mr. President, today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that Jinnah's guideline, unity, faith, and discipline becomes the final commandment for every citizen. Today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that we put an end to poverty through economic and institutional reforms. Today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that our farmers get prosperous by mechanizing and modernizing their agriculture. Today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that our youth get skills-based technical education. Today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that our women are empowered through education and microfinance projects. Today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that investors feel safe in our state and launch mega projects that may create new jobs and prosperity. Today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that the people of Thar, Himalayas, and Sulaiman Ranges get the same value and the same facilities that are the trademark of Islamabad and other metropolitan cities. Today, on Pakistan Day, I have a dream that Pakistan turns up green and clean and free of war, tyranny, persecution, and oppression. Dear fellow Pakistanis, let us remember the sacrifices of our forefathers and pay vision to their determination. Let us also pledge to work towards a better, brighter future for Pakistan. A future where our people can live in peace, prosperity, and harmony. A future where Pakistan can take its rightful place among the leading nations of the world. Long live our students. Long live our farmers. Long live our workmen. Long live our youth. Long live our women. Long live free will of the people. Long live Pakistan. I thank you so much.